Hi, today we're going to be looking at the ILIFE V1 robotic vacuum. In terms of features, this is the most basic, and we'll be looking at what's inside the box, and later on I'll be testing how it works, how it vacuums on this on bare floor. Right now, let's open the box here. This is the V1. If you're not familiar with the ILIFE, it is a Chinese brand, and they have around 9 variants in their product lineup. And let's just go through what's inside the box, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is what I got inside the box here. This is the robot vacuum itself. It comes in white. It has a nice white finish here. It gets easily dirty though. When you turn it over, it has a similar, you'll notice that it has 2 side brushes here. It has 2 side brushes and a vacuum inlet here. This is similar to the X5, V5 and the V5 Pro here. The biggest difference would be this robot does not have a mop here. This is all I got inside the box here. Surprisingly, it has 4. It comes with 4 extra HEPA filters here. It comes with a cleaning brush. Use this cleaning brush to clean the dust bin. Comes with an English manual here. This is a quick start guide and a manual, and it also comes I don't see any charging dock here. This robot does not have a charging dock. I don't believe it has. I'll check the manual and I'll tell you what it says inside the manual later. And though it has 2 charging pins here, I don't see any. If you look at the box here, it doesn't have any charging dock, which is a bit surprising to me. And this is all I got here. Now I'll be testing this with the charging docks that are found in the other ILIFE robots and see if it works. And I'll be right back for the cleaning test. And before I start the cleaning test, I would like to make some additional notes here. I forgot to tell you that it has 2 extra side brushes here. This is pretty much standard in most of the ILIFE robots. And I checked the quick start guide here. It actually has a quick start guide and the manual here. The quick start guide comes in different languages here, and it does not have a this robot does not have any charging dock included in the package, so you'll have to plug this in. You plug the charger on the socket and it plugs here on the side here. You'll see that it has a plug here. This is where you plug the charger, and this is the switch, power switch. And let's open this door here and see what's inside the bin. And as you can see, it comes with a 300 milliliter ml bin here. This bin is similar to what you'll find in the X5, V5 and V5 Pro. It has this is the primary mesh filter, and it has a HEPA filter here. And this, by the way, is the cheapest of the ILIFE robots. It costs under Last time I checked, it costs less than $100. And if you look at the description below, you'll see that you can get more savings by using the promo code that I'll share with you below. And again, I'll be right back with a cleaning test. Okay, I'm gonna scatter around 50 grams of oats in powder. Let's now weigh the oats in powder here. I'm gonna scatter 50 grams. I only made it 50 because of time constraints. I don't want to make the video too long. And there's 50. Okay, so this will be the mess that the V1 will be working on. As you can see, I've scattered oats and powdered at the center of the room, and here in the side, the edge. And this is to test the edge cleaning, and another over there at the corner to test the corner cleaning. And since this robot does not have any remote included, I'll be pressing the clean button just to get it started. And this is the first cleaning test, the V1. This is the most basic of all the ILIFE robot vacuums that's available right now. It does not have a remote or a charging dock. And it does not have any schedule. You cannot schedule it to clean on its own. And if you want to know more about the features of this robot, I will post a link to the review below. Make sure to check that out. It's in the description below. Okay, since the robot was able to clean most of the dirt, I think I'm gonna stop it right now. just let it run for a few more passes, then I'll stop it, and then we'll check the bin and see how much dirt was able to pick up. But as you can see, it has cleaned relatively most of the oats and powder here on the edge here and over there in the corner. So since the robot is closed here, I'll just stop it right now. Let me just stop the robot here, and let's see how much it picked up. Okay, I have the robot and the weighing scale here, and let's open the bin. Just turn off the robot first, just to make sure it doesn't move. And this is the bin, and this robot has a similar bin as the X5, the V5, and the V5 Pro. I'll make a comparison of these robots in a future video, but for now let's see how much dirt this robot has picked up. And let's just take off this. Let's just focus here. This is the primary filter. As you can see, some of the powder is seep through. It's not overly fine. It's just fine enough to block larger particles like oats from getting through. And let's just open. I'll just open the weighing scale here. Just turn it on. Let me just try to focus here. The weighing scale. Okay, weighing scale is on, and the robot is able to pick up roughly around 47. If you can see that, let me just focus on it. And 47 out of the 50 grams of oats and powder. It's 47 out of the 50 grams, which is pretty good. Again, this robot has a similar navigation pattern as the X5. All the ILIFE robots has similar pattern, particularly the X5, V5, and V5 Pro. This robot is pretty close to those variants over there. And the biggest difference would be the lack of scheduling, the lack of a remote, and it does not have any charging dock. Again, if you want to see future video comparisons, head to the description below. I'll also add there the coupon codes and other important information about this robot and the other ILIFE robots. So make sure to check on those, and I'll see you in the next video.